Right. We're here at the Melincwrt Waterfall, or trying to get there. Well, it's been a hell of a bike ride to get here, I'll tell you that much, but I'm gonna walk through all of this, see what it's like. I've never been here before, and yeah, hopefully it's a nice day. I'll see you throughout this, I suppose. Ciao for now. Right, we're about 5 minutes into this walk so far. Whew. And my hair is getting on my nerves already. I don't have my hat, and I'm not wearing my bike helmet the entire way. Oh gosh, maybe I should invest in one of those hairband things. Anyway, let's continue. Okay, so the pathway splits off here, the stairs going up higher. Now, I could probably go that way, but I'm gonna keep going this way for now. And then maybe on the way back we'll come the other way. Maybe. We'll see. I'm trying to be mindful of the people down there and their privacy rights. But, look at that. He's one in a million things, so I've never seen a waterfall in person, so you know. I wonder if it's going to be a quick walk, you know? I think like there's a grave there, I don't be mindful of it. Yeah, I'm going to start recording and get some pictures real quick. After I've gotten them, I'll be right back for the trip down and we'll go see what that other way is. Alright, I was gonna try and go up that other path, but I can't find where it is. So, yeah. Maybe we'll go back to it and follow it as far as we can, see where it goes to. It's nice back there. I've never seen a waterfall in person, so that was neat. I actually like that. That's quite a sight. And that's not even an impressive waterfall. Like, it's impressive, yeah, it's 80 feet tall. But you know, it's not like some you see where they're like really wide and flowing constantly through the entire thing. Now that I'd like to see at some point. I don't know if there are any around here though. You'll mostly get things like that. But that's still cool. I really enjoyed that. Let's see if we can find that other pathway. I might have passed it. I don't think I have. Let's go find that. I think this is it, right here. Yeah. I don't know where this is gonna go. Let's go have a look, shall we? Oh god, that's quite a climb. I'm not too fussed about walking right next to a sheer drop. Oh, my heart. It splits off that way slightly. I don't know if that's an actual pathway or just somewhere people go. And it continues that way. I'm gonna have to look at this for a minute though. See where this goes. It probably just comes back around. No, doesn't seem like it does. There are lots of holes in the ground here. It's a little concerning. Oh, where does this go? Oh, is that like a pathway out the top somewhere? Seems it. Where does this go? I wonder. Do I go back and go the other way, or do I come this way? Let's do both. I'll go back, go the other way, because that's clearly where you're meant to go. And then we'll see where this goes. There's another gateway. Interesting. Wonder where they go. They might just be like a pathway, maybe? That's not as close to the edge as that one is, because people like me. Although that looks more like a stream. What is it? Pathway that goes all the way wrong. All the way wrong? All the way along. Huh. Interesting. Well, I'm a little concerned there might be a deer or sheep up here. I've seen droppings on the floor that look like sheep droppings or deer droppings. Whether they're up here is a different story. But my inkling might be correct. I think this is where you come to look down over the waterfall instead of up at it. Ooh, there's a hole there. There's probably a badger hole. Yeah, it definitely seems like this is where you come to look over it. Yeah. 100%. Let's down there. I'm feeling very uneasy up here, goddamn. It looks a little bit to me like people are using like these as pathways down and maybe getting hurt down there, which is why there's what looks to be a stone grave with some sticks on top of it down there. I'm unsure on that one. What's this speaking? Oh, this is a better view. Not that you can see much, mind. Just through the trees. Oh, maybe that's what this is. So this might be to get to the source of it. Look at this. Is that plastic culvert? I can't tell what type of culvert that is. It looks plastic or rubber. Little stream, tributary. I was on the way up, I was looking at the stream and my brain was replaying all of the lessons I learned in school in geography. Sorry, I heard something behind you. In geography with regards to rivers. We went on a day trip up to the source of the River Ogmore, and we made our way back down it, learning different things about rivers as we went. And it was a really good day trip. I enjoyed that day, and I learned so much about how rivers have hundreds of tributaries that tribute to streams, and then the streams will tribute to the river itself. And a river takes hundreds, up to hundreds and hundreds of tributaries to be able to become the raging rivers that they are. And it's so cool when you think about it. They are very cool. So what's up here then? What's this way? Some of the dogs been up here, I think. Looks like a dog's prints. Oh, it looks like a road actually. Now I'm looking at it. Oh! I understand now. I understand. I'm an idiot, but I understand. So this is the Waterfall Road, as they refer to it on the map down there. There was a map all the way down at the start, which tells you what this is. It says there's a road that comes all the way up to the waterfall for people that don't want to walk through the path. Although I don't understand why you wouldn't want to walk through the path. The path is quite chill and not even that long. I suppose there are just people that are there. Although saying that, it would take longer for you to come up here and then down that pathway I just came up to go see the waterfall than it would to walk up the thing. So what's the purpose of this? God knows. I'm rambling again. I'll stop. I shouldn't be up here ideally, I don't think. Not on foot anyway, with the road. But I wanted to come see this. I love streams and rivers. I think they're really cool the way they work. They're a good metaphor for life, you know? A metaphor a lot of people should be following as well. And that's where it turns into the waterfall right there. I see. When you think about it, there's not that much water going through it really. But there's enough to create such a large flow. Pretty cool. And so loving memory. There's another waterfall there. That is also a good podcast. Over the side. What is this? Is this another one of those beware those on the preach on street corners thing? Yeah, the Jehovah's Witnesses. Of course it's the Jehovah's Witnesses. Who wouldn't it be? Who else would it be, Brain? Goodness. Who else preaches on street corners but those? Beware those that preach on street corners. Now, I'm going to try and take a picture of this while holding the camera. Both cameras. I'm not sure how this is going to work, but we'll see. That's a nice photo, I think. I'm going to stay on this side of the road, so I want to go along that other path and have a look up the street. Yeah, sorry about the awkward camera angles on the actual camera that's recording right now. My brain is like, I don't care, I'm doing nice pictures with my Samsung. Sorry for the language. It just slips out. I'm trying to control it. I'm learning slowly. I keep seeing things out of the corner of my eye, but I can't tell if it's my hair or not. I think it's this way. There's a little tributary here, see? Comes along the side of the road, which is why the road is giving out. And there's a bridge there which can't be gone by. Looks like there was a pathway here once, but no more. No entry. Fair. That doesn't look very safe, although it looks like there was a bridge there that's collapsed or worn out over the years. It seems like this just goes up and up and up the stream. Which is understandable a little bit. We don't want people going up here. Although, let's take one more picture, shall we? One more picture and then I'll go make my way back down to the start. Let's see how horrible this camera angle comes for you guys. Whoop. Right. Right. Let's head back down the mountain with sore legs. Oh God, why did I do this to myself? I did leg day yesterday and I overworked my legs, and today I decided, you know what? I'm gonna go cycle 9 miles to this waterfall that I can get to along the canal, and then I'm gonna climb a mountain with the sore legs just so I can see a waterfall and where it starts from. I swear I don't do myself any favors, but I'm gonna walk along this actually on the way back. So guys, I don't have anything in there yet. There was one of these along the canal that I couldn't figure out how to open, and I was like, it's locked. And then the cyclist was like, no, it's not locked. You're just dumb. Oh yeah, I'm kind of stupid, I'm sorry. Anyway, I'm sorry for not recording the entire trip up here, but I couldn't find my chest strap. So yeah, I'll see you at the bottom of the mountain. Sorry about that. Lovely older gentleman and 18-month-old dog. I think I'm bounding at me. Oh my god. I love dogs, they're so cute. Absolutely gorgeous. But yeah, sorry about that. I'll see you guys back at the bottom. Ooh, I don't like the look on that. Oh no. No thank you, that is way too sheer a drop for me. That's where this feeds into. Yikes. Yeah, I'm gonna keep walking this way. I'm not going back that way. Let's see where this comes out. See you at the bottom. Now we're back at the bottom. And I seem to have got something brambly and prickly inside my shoe. Ow! I'll have to take that off before I head home. yeah, that was a good walk. I had to be really careful coming down there because I'm sure-footed. I will not put weight on my foot unless I know that it's stable. But in doing so, I usually put myself into predicaments which are further away from the edge. So that leads me to standing on things that aren't as steady and safe to stand on, which is always fun. So yeah, I'll get back to the bottom there and then I'll say my goodbyes. Alright, we're almost back at the bottom. I can see the building at the start, so I'm gonna sign off from here then. See you guys next time. I don't know where we're gonna go next, but it'll be somewhere. Maybe, I don't know if they're gonna be open by the time I can make a next video, so I'll think of something and we'll go from there. And thank you guys for joining me. I've been dry. This has been a really good day out. I'm glad I decided to come here. Anyway, bye for now. I feel inclined to point out that this lies. So it says we're here. It says it starts there, which is a lie. It starts there, okay? This is not the entrance. This is. It starts right next to the building across there. That one. It does not start over here, which would be literally there. There's nothing there. It's lying. It starts there.